Good morning, everyone. It's Introverted Enigma 1821. Pardon my phone and the darkness. It is 5 something in the morning here in Dallas, Texas, and I am in my backyard. I don't know how to get the lighting on my phone, so please excuse me. And on this phone, my camera is broken. I'm walking through the backyard garden. I'm around my little her hut, as I call it. It's a beautiful, beautiful, breezy morning. It's been raining a lot here in Dallas, so just try to get out as much as I can before any rain starts. And I'm trying to wait on Lowe's to open so I can get some gravel. You can't see anything right now because my other phone, I thought it was charged, trying to make my first video. Pulled it out and the battery is dead. And excuse me if I'm speaking low, but voices carry in this neighborhood, especially at this time, because it's so silent, but I love it. So a little about myself. I am an introverted Capricorn. I'm a mother of two, recently an empty nester. They've both become young adults and doing their own thing and told me to get a life. So here I am, DIYing, homesteading, making my own products, lawn work, going back to the things I love from what I remember after years of doing, traditional work. Now it's time for something different. So with my garden, I have some vegetables growing. Again, you can't see because it's so dark and I don't have my backlight. Once the sun comes up, I'll do a second video. So I have some flowers and also some pollinators to help with the food growing, which is my first year growing food from both established plants and seeds. So we're gonna see how that goes. I did harvest my first green bell pepper and my purple lettuce, it's doing something kooky. It's twisting and winding, but it's so cute. You can't see it right now, but you will soon. So yeah, I like gardening. I love lawn work. I love art, crafting, the arts, theater, music. Workout from time to time, but most of my workout comes from lugging around bags of dirt, which you can't see on the ground, compost, cow manure, gravel. I love rocks. Takes me back to my childhood. My grandmother had a gravel driveway, and she hated for us to pick up the rocks and play with them, but I love them. So I have that set up in her hut and another area in my yard. So, again, I'm just trying to get established and find my way in this life. I am an extreme introvert. I prefer my alone time. Quarantine has led me to build my own little space. You can see a silhouette. Because as an introvert, you need your space. Love everyone, but you need your space. So once the sun comes up, I'll do another video. You can see the beds and the gardens and containers I've started. And what I'm doing, I'm going to try to find a location for my greenhouse today, which I'm excited for. First greenhouse. So I look forward to talking with you all. If you're wanting to let's get to know me and share your ideas and projects and just thoughts on day-to-day life. Just being a mother, wife, woman, Yeah, but I'm in my divine feminine area. It's good vibes only, just like the channel. So I'll be updating you all again with another video once the sun comes up and after my Lowe's run. for a bag of marble rock and egg rock. I love those. And when the marble gets wet, it turns a different color slightly. It's so pretty. So after that and the sun comes up, you can see more, and I charge on my other phone for better quality. I'll be back. So I look forward to interacting with you all, and I hope y'all have a great start to your day. Enjoy life. Blessings, peace, prosperity, wealth, health, and love to all.